Hey, what's going on? Chef Pitmaster Daniel Hammond here, back again for another quick tip, and I'm going to show you how to wrap your brisket and how to make it as tender as you possibly can. And sometimes you can put it in foil, sometimes you don't have to. So I got something for you. Check this out. So we got the brisket laid out right here on a roll of butcher paper. And the key is, do we wrap it up? Do we wrap it up in the butcher paper, just put it back on? No, I got a little treat. I got a little secret for you. It's not a secret in the barbecue world, but for those beginners and those backyard warriors, I'm about to make your brisket pop. Watch this. So grab you some Wagyu beef tallow. Wagyu beef tallow. And this right here is gonna change the game for your brisket. So most of the time, I actually make my own beef tallow off the trimmings of the brisket. Here's a fun fact. Save your trimmings of your brisket. Freeze them, do whatever you gotta do, because that is some of the best oil source that you could possibly get, best fat source you could possibly get. If you wanna scramble some eggs, all the way down to making burgers, making fries, you definitely wanna get some beef tallow rendered down in the skillet and pour it over your fries, add a little sea salt. That's a whole different video. But for this case, when you take your beef trimmings, you can actually put them in the smoker with your brisket, let that fat render down in there, and take the oil and place it inside of the butcher paper with your brisket. So for this, I'm gonna use this like peanut butter. So I'm gonna take my knife and I'm gonna scoop some Wagyu tallow. And I'm gonna spread the Wagyu tallow. Onto the butcher paper. Lift that up. We're gonna place that brisket right on top of that spread. We're gonna spread some more over here. On the other side, we want to get this butcher paper nice and greasy. Take some of that. Take some more beef tallow and put it on top of your brisket, especially where the flat is. Notice I have the flat covered up in butcher paper while I was cooking as well. That's a whole different video, so we'll get back to that. We're gonna spread a little bit on top of that. And this is how you make a supreme brisket. So check out the beef tallow though. We got South Chicago packing. Wagyu tallow is amazing. You can find that on Amazon. Take this, and then we're gonna begin our wrap. And then we give it a good rub. We're gonna fold this right here. Hold it up. Oh, look at the bottom of that. Look at the grease on the bottom of that going shiny quick. This is what you want to see. Now, so we take this sexy baby right here. We're gonna put her back on the grill and let her get all the way to around 190. When she gets to 190, pull her off. You're gonna have a perfect brisket on your hands. All right, y'all? I'm back at the grill, baby. Peace.